The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. But there again, yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright. Big up. Alright, so I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video caught my eyes somehow. This video shows how a man had been lowered down into a very deep hole in the ground by a rope connected to a device, and the device is at the top of the hole, being operated by at least one person who was at the top of the hole of the device. And something is at the end of the rope that the person rests himself on to make the process somewhat comfortable while he's being lowered down into the hole. You see what I'm saying to you? And according to some things that have been said on social media, it is said that the hole is hundreds of feet deep. I don't have any confirmed information if it's 1 or 2 or 300 feet deep. I don't know, but it is said that the hole is hundreds of feet deep according to social media. See, anyways, if that was a part of my job, you know, that's the day when I'm going to lose my job, because I'm not doing that. Me not go down in a hole so deep. You see? Yeah, I wonder why them even lowered that man down into that hole in the first place, and why is that hole so deep? Why is that hole there? You see me? I don't know where I when the video be recorded, viewers and subscribers, and the video also shows when the man had been taken out of the hole. You see me? Now tell me if you would do something like this shown in the video that I'm about to present to you. Tell me if you would go into a hole that deep, if that is a part of your job. Let me know what you think, alright? And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
It's going inside.
You see that, people? You see it? Look what I want. Look. Far that already, you know. Yeah man, for me that a far already, you know. Yeah man, to me that far already, man. I've way down that already. Goes skirt. You not reach yet? That time say him not reach to the bottom of that yet. Look like a really hundreds of feet. Well, hundreds of feet. No man, this I get from bad to worse, man. I tell me say him not reach the bottom of that yet. Him not reach the bottom of that yet.
Jala.
Oh.
Banhira, cara.
Okay.
Banhira, cara.
So I will make them send him down in that, you know. Why them send him another hole then?
Nango.
What the pipe there for? What is that pipe in that hole for?
Dai.
Okay.
Dai sama.
Okay, look like something wrong with the pipe. Like part of the pipe come off or something, you see it? Look so. Me. Yo, what's this? Yes, you're that deep, my people. Yes, you're that deep. You see how the hole deep? Oh boy.
Dan zo ka saka nan. Dan zo ka saka nan ya ki shiga ma Allah.
In good. I go down more than I want. Go down more than I want. I record this. How would I have it? Yo, this serious, people. This not a joking thing, yo. This serious.
Kaya I know this.
Oh yeah.
Muje. Eh.
Oh yeah.
Muje mana.
The people, eh? You see that the hole is deep? Sound like him, you know, like him do something down there when him down at the bottom of the hole there too. But you see that deep, eh? It's my next string. Bun up. Man. Watch it. Watch it. I know you can't reach up at the top. Watch it. Eh? Man, where them a do that the hole there? Where them dig that the wall there for? And record this. Ah, no reach out top. Watch it. You're gonna come from. Really hundreds of feet there. That's a hole. One real hole that.
Man, I can't look for money to this place.
One real hole that.
You go tell where we It's your man. And the owner, so man, I can't go there. I do powers. The day inside.
People, me I tell you the truth, me nah do that. You see me I say, I'm not going to like me better than nobody, but me nah do that, you know. You can tell me if you would go down in a hole that deep, you know. But I wouldn't recommend anyone to do that. You see me? A hole that deep, the air down in a hole that deep can be different from the air above on the surface of the earth. You see me I say to you, can cause someone to faint as well. You see me? And when time I look at a hole that deep, me I think about insects. You know, me I think about certain creatures. Me I think about the rope. What if the rope break? Or if the device not work properly? Or if the whole cave, all kind of shit me I think. You see me I say? That shown in the video is what I call a... You see me I say? So, me not go down in that. But you can tell me what you're thinking of, viewers and subscribers, alright? Yeah, if that was a part of my job, anytime they say, yo, Skilla, time for go do your job there, so, yeah, I'm fired, me quit. Yeah, keep anything we have for me gone. No time for that. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. No big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.